Yeah, everybody, we're doing some sheep work today. We've got all the lambs in, and we're going to draft separate them, so separate the white Suffolks from the Dohnes, because we're getting ready for doing some shearing. So we won't muck around too much, we'll just get into it. Molly. Molly, yeah, Molly. Molly. All right, we just finished separating the Dohne lambs and the white Suffolk lambs. So all the Dohne ones are here, as well as some ewes to help them go into the shed a bit easier. It helps it makes life moving them a little bit easier because the ewes have been in there a few times. They sort of know what has to be done and how to go in there, so the lambs will follow them in. And then we have all the white Suffolk lambs over here, as well as some ewes as well. So the ewes that are in with all these lambs are the ones that we're going to cull out. So that's why there's ewes in there too. So now we're going to, I think I'm going to bring in the main mob of Dohne ewes with Molly. And we're going to select a few out of them to put with the white Suffolk rams. We've got a second one this year. We bought another white Suffolk ram, and I think we bought 2 more Dohne ones as well. So we're going to split off maybe 70 ewes to put with the 2 white Suffolks, and then the rest of the rams will go with the rest of the Dohne ewes. So we'll go and bring them in and we can do that. Rightio, so in the ute, got the Kelpie Molly with me. We're going to attempt to round these sheep up and bring them into the yard. Hopefully all goes well. So we'll get out there, just on the other side of the paddock, and we'll see whether or not we can round them up. Go. Molly. Molly, sit. Molly. Yeah, Molly. Alright, so we just let the fat lambs out and we've got the main mob of Dohne ewes here at the moment, so we're going to go through them and take the ewes that have yellow tags out because they were with the white Suffolk ram last year, and we're going to try and do the same again this year. So we've got 2 this year, so we can put a few more ewes with them. So Dad's going to draft off the yellow tagged ones and then we'll count out how many there are and see how many we want to put with the 2 rams. Alright, so we got 76 ewes here that are going to go with the 2 white Suffolk Ramsies, and that one up the back, the new one. So that's 26 more than last year. So we're going to draft the 2 white Suffolks off them, and then the rest, the Dohne rams, can all go with the Dohne ewes. Molly! Molly! Alright, so we just got all the rams in their right mobs after that little hiccup. So 2 white Suffolks are in that mob there, and then the Dohne ewes, they're wandering their way back out to the paddock I got them from earlier. So that's all the drafting and stuff done for the ewes, and the lambs are pretty much ready to be shorn as well. So we'll wrap the video up there. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you in the next one, which will most likely be shearing. Alright.